Gold and silver both yet again traded bearish. However, 1984 levels provided it with a support, as we discussed and shared in the morning update with the Asia session for gold. And the same time, silver has got the support at 2360 levels. So now what to expect with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Also remember, I don't run any investment scheme. Hence, all the scammers and fraudsters, be aware of and please report them as soon as someone asks you for an investment scheme giving you multifold return. Please report it immediately and don't get trapped. With that, let's start. First, we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now, look at gold's chart on the 1 hour time frame. You can see this drop, retracement, again lower lows. Now it is trying to retrace. And yes, 1995 levels, that is the level beyond which you can consider that this is trying to reverse, else possibly till 1995 we are not going to consider this as bullish. Now what is happening here is, see the sharp drop, this is a retracement, and hence even if it stays above 1990 you can buy, but then 1993.5 95 levels to be breached, and beyond that only further reversal can be confirmed. Till the time one can expect that it may try to reverse again and sell again, and hence if you are taking a buy entry at 1990 we have to remain very cautious. Now see, it is trading with a divergence. All the moving averages are trading with divergence. It can try to converge here, which means 1992-93 levels, and yes, possibly till towards the 50 period average, which is at 2000 levels. So there is a possibility that it can try to reverse. However, one has to remain cautious and alert. Also remember, it has gone close to the near term supports 1984, 1980, which are very good support levels for gold. On the hourly chart, it has seen oversold zone trying to recover. MACD has now see, MACD has seen extreme bottom. It is trying to trade with divergence and trying to trade little bullish from here. And if you see at the RSI is trading at bottom on the 2-hour charts. Now look at the 2-hour chart. See, lower highs are seen here, and now it is trying to break past. Any move above 1990 you can buy, but then 93 95 levels you should watch out for, only above which you can confirm that it is trying to trade bullish. And right now if you connect these dots, you will find this zone is critical for gold. Hence do not consider a trade between 1984 and 1990 levels at least. Stochastic at bottom, MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy, and this is the third time it is trying to crossover. If it does, certainly more bullishness may prevail. RSI at bottom, and likewise on the 3-hour. Similar is the observation. Previous candle with a long tail, and this candle may try to pull it little up. How far it can stretch? 92 93 levels, and if it does, if it trades beyond that, certainly you can say that it has reversed. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD is still bearish. It is trying to converge here. It has not yet crossed over. Remember, it can try to stretch it. However, it has seen extreme lows, so possibility for it to converge exists here. RSI at bottom and at oversold levels. If you look at 4-hour, also on the 4-hour chart, see the previous candle. It is a candle with a very small body and very long tail. Hence, any move above 1990, you can expect it to rise. You can expect it to rise till towards 1993, and beyond that certainly we can see it flying high. Stochastic oversold, MACD is bearish, RSI is also oversold. And if you look at the daily, now look at the daily charts here, see lower lows are done, and if you connect this lower highs, which means there is a long span for it to cover, and it can try to attempt and achieve that levels. However, we have to remain very cautious. Sell entry at 1984, below that 1980, very good support. Now why 1980 is good support? You can see this, you will find here, see multiple candles rejected at 1984 levels, and hence these levels certainly we should watch out for. Also, if you look at this slope, you will find this is higher lows are yet seen, and this time again it is trying to show higher lows, and possibility of a reversal will increase from here. Stochastic oversold, MACD on the daily charts is still divergent, and that is a point of concern. It is, as it is still looking downwards, which is a bearish sign. The RSI is also looking down. So considering this, you can try to initiate a buy entry at 1990 levels. However, be careful for 1993 and 1995 levels, beyond which you can expect 2000, 2005, 2010 levels. In fact, it can try to fly till towards 2015 also. Possibility exists that it can try to reverse, and hence you have to trade with caution on the downside, put a trailing stop loss. Remember, markets can reverse again. On the downside, you can sell at 84, but be watchful of 80, 74, 70. And if it trades below this, you can expect that it is going to crash heavily on the downside. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 20th batch starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can also be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. Bottom, double bottom is done. Trying to reverse 20 period moving average, it is willing to touch, which is at 23.75. A good safe entry on silver is about 23.82. Once it trades about 23.82, you can expect 23.90, 24.05, and beyond that, sky is the limit. It can try to hit past 24.10 levels also. Now if you look at, see this gradient and this gradient, so bearishness certainly diminished, and hence one should be watchful of this. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD is not indicative of anything. RSI is also trying to rise from the oversold or rise from the bottom there. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, see double bottom, candle with a tail, possibility for it to rise till here exists, 2380, 2382 levels. It may try to achieve any move beyond 2380, 82 zones. Certainly you can expect that silver is willing to reverse, and hence 2405 levels cannot be denied. Stochastic flat, MACD flat, neither bullish nor bearish. RSI is also flat. If you look at 3-hour, now see on the 3-hour charts, higher lows are seen, possibility for it to rise exists, and it can try to attempt and achieve this zone. There is a possibility for it, and hence you can buy here at 2370 levels itself, expect it to rise for 2380, 82 zone, and beyond that it is going to fly high for 2390, 24. In fact 2405 levels cannot be denied there. On the downside, a sell entry below 2360 can be taken, below which it is going to turn trade bearish. Stochastic flat, MACD trading with a slight bullish bias. It is not divergent yet. I will wait for it to diverge, which means few bullish candles there. RSI almost trading flat. And if you look at 4-hour chart, now look at 4-hour chart, see higher lows, lower highs, which means there is a possibility for it to go till towards 2378-80 zone. Be careful here. A safe entry is only about 2382. Beyond that, certainly we can see it flying high, and a sell entry below 2360 is a good safe entry for you to stay short below that. 2350, 2320 levels cannot be denied there. Stochastic flat, MACD trading with little divergence, trying to trade bullish here. RSI again trading oversold consistently. Look at the daily. Now see on the daily chart, first of all, see these 3 lows almost well connected, beautifully connected here. Any move here about 2380 should try to pull it little up. How far it can stretch? In fact 2410 cannot be denied there. And hence once it stays about 2380 levels, you can expect further bullishness may prevail there. 2390 it needs to breach past, by then 2405 levels will be seen. Beyond that it is going to sky high for 2415, 2420 levels. Now see on the daily charts, stochastic is extremely oversold, potentially signaling a recovery here. MACD on the other hand is bearish. See the candle size has flattened. It means the bearishness has certainly diminished, and the RSI is also trading at bottom. Considering this, you can buy here at 2382 and sell at 2360. In fact, those who want to take a little advantage can buy here at 2370. However, 2382 levels it needs to breach past by. Remember, till then it can reverse again, achieving the highs at 2380. It can reverse again any point of time, and hence you should trade with caution there. On the downside, as I said, below 2360, 2350 levels, and below 2350 we are going to look forward to a very good fall, and hence you should trade with caution. Remember, this is the first red candle, second red candle may also follow, and hence you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Ensure that you are shifting your stop loss to cost such that your trade closes without any loss. Remember, no profits are better than a loss. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch starting 1st of June, or else you can be a part of my signals channel where you can trade as per the signals and benefit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, I am reminding again, I don't run any investment scheme, hence don't be trapped from any scammers or fraudsters. Those who are promising you such schemes, please report them immediately. Please report them, and do not transfer any money to anyone who is promising you any investment scheme on my name. Take your trades, trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.